Hello and welcome to this short video about the current release of the RetroFIT app from Belimo. My name is Jan Sturm, I'm a product manager at Belimo and I will guide you through the new features of the RetroFIT app. For those who have never heard of the RetroFIT app, the app makes it possible to quickly and easily find a suitable replacement actuator for a valve or ventilation flap that has already been installed. Recently, we have also added the new range of sensors. The app is available in the Google Play Store and in the App Store. But now to the new feature the current release brings. We have imported an extensive database update which extends the already existing database of products in the field of water and air. The biggest innovation is that we have now added our new sensors range and more than 3,300 other products. This means that for these 3,300 third-party products, the app directly displays a suitable Belimo replacement product. As you can see, thousands of third-party products for various competitors are already included in the air and water sector. Never before has it been so easy to find a suitable Belimo replacement product. The second major innovation of this release is the Find by Design feature. This feature allows a valve's compatibility to be checked on the basis of dimensions and shape only. This is particularly interesting if, for example, the valve is wrapped in insulating material and the nameplate is not readable. On this screenshot of the app, you can see which different adaptations are included. Different adaptations of rotary actuators and also globe valve actuators can be tested. Since this feature uses dimensions to check which Belimo actuator matches the best, no database is required. It can be used to retrofit any valve. To give you a better idea of how the Find by Design feature is used, I have prepared a short use case. We have a third-party valve on which we want to mount the Belimo actuator. The valve type is unknown and the type plate is not readable. This is where the Find by Design feature comes into play. We find the right actuator based on the dimensions of the valve. After opening the app, select the Water Application section and then the Find by Design Features tab. Here you can now choose from various fits. In this case, we choose the option for globe valves. Here the dimensions to be measured are displayed. If you click in an input field, the corresponding dimension is highlighted in the dimensional drawing. Now all dimensions are measured and entered into the mask. Once all the dimensions have been entered, you can display the matching Belimo actuators. If you select an actuator, you can display and download the installation instructions or datasheets in PDF format. It is also possible to add them to a new or existing project. That's it with this small video about the new features in the RetroFIT app. I hope we save our customers a lot of time and effort in finding a replacement actuator. If you have any question, please contact the local contact person in your country.